Now, would you believe that every single one of these LED lights you see right behind me costs less than 50 euros each? And in this video, I'm going to show you each and every one of them, explain their specs, why I got them, how to get them, the cost, as well as the platforms to buy them, because I got them from different platforms. And yeah, so let's get to it. So the first one I'm going to show you is this LED wait, let me drop it so you see it. Why can't I pronounce it? If I can't pronounce it, at least you're going to see it. It's the LED U660 Plus, and this was the first LED panel I got, and I got it from AliExpress for like 35 euros. And you can order just the panel or order it with a tripod stand. You can also get extra batteries, but if you don't want to get it, if you live in a country where you have constant electricity, you most likely don't need it, except you're traveling, but you don't need it. It comes with a plug that you can just connect to a power socket. I already connected it, and you just plug it here, and with this button here, if you switch it on, you can see it is really bright, way too bright. The brightness is blinding. You can reduce the brightness, as you can see me reducing it. And you can also change the tone from really warm to cold. So you can adjust the tones however you want. You can adjust the brightness however you want. But one thing I didn't like about this LED is that it doesn't come with a diffuser. So the light is very harsh. And to combat that problem, if you have that problem, trust me, there's a solution to that. I got this diffuser for 11 euros on AliExpress. You can wear this diffuser on any LED panel you want. Just put it on like this. I hope you can see what I'm doing. It's super easy. And what this diffuser does is to soften the light and evenly spread it everywhere. So now it feels like I have a bigger light compared to the small light it was. Yeah, I'm sure you can see the difference between when it was just the LED light versus now with the softbox. Now with the softbox, the light is bigger, it is more evenly spread, it is softer. Like, it just makes so much sense to get a diffuser with this light. So if you have this light alone, you're good to go in. You can start your content creation journey. Maybe I should show you with just the light, because I have other panels on now. Let me turn them off. You see, so with just this light, I'm good to go. I'm not positioning it well now. It should be in front of me, but my table is in front of me. So if I position this well, but let me disconnect this and put it in front of me. So you see, this is the light in front of me now, and this is how bright it is. Just this light alone, you're good to go. But because I like more dimension, I like more shadows and stuff, I see all the professionals do that, and I really like seeing that in their videos. I decided to get more lights, so that brings me to my next LED light I got. So the next one is this U880 Plus LED light. It's kind of like the bigger version of the U660, and I chose this particular one because it has a diffuser, so the light is not as harsh as the U660. Let me show you how it looks like. So over here, you can also buy the battery. So if you're traveling and you don't have access to plug it in, you can always put in the batteries. I didn't get the batteries because I don't intend traveling with this. I have an option on the lights you can travel with, and I'll show you after this particular one. So with this, you turn it on from here. This is how it looks. You can see the light emitting from it is soft. It's not as harsh as the other one. I know you won't notice the difference as much on camera. This one is way brighter than the U660. It also has 3 tones, from really warm to cold. You can reduce the brightness, increase it, just like the other one. It's just way bigger, and it comes with a diffuser. That's why I like it. So with this LED light, I didn't have to buy a softbox to diffuse it. And yeah, so if you want to save up money, and especially if you have a small space and you don't want a bulky light, this is also good. I think I got this for 30 euros, but it was on sales. It cost approximately 45. With 45 euros, you can get you one of this. In fact, I would recommend this over the U600 just based off of the fact that it's brighter than the U660 and it comes with a diffuser, so you don't need extra cost with this. So now, you know, I told you I wouldn't take this to travel. You can if you want to, but I personally, I don't want heavy weights. So for travel lights, the next ones I'm going to show you are this mini LED lights. And I know you're thinking, how can this small light be enough? Trust me, the lights coming from this small thing you're seeing here, let me show you. Oh, we went too quickly. I was supposed to show you this different colors as one of the fun parts of having this, like you have different colors to play with. But let me just show you how bright the light is. Do you see how bright it is? It is so bright, it is flexible, it is lightweight. You can use it as a vlogging camera, you can use it to film talking head videos on the go. So if you're traveling and you don't want to carry too much bulkiness around you, this, you just mount it on your camera or on your phone and you're good to go. I actually made an in-depth video on how to use this. Also, another good part of it is that you can use it as background light. So this blue light you're seeing behind me is coming from one of this. So not only can you use it to vlog, to film talking head videos, you can also use it as your background accessory lights to, you know, give your background some pizzazz, some zhuzh. It also has this party light settings. Oh, do you see? Like, look at this. Just, it has so many effects that it's just so versatile. It's so helpful. It's so useful. The light is also diffused. Let me show you. See, it comes with a diffuser, so it's not harsh. The light coming from it, it doesn't need anything to cover up or to make the light softer. The light coming from it is really soft. So yes, I would highly recommend this. You can get one of this on Amazon for less than 40 euros. One of these on Amazon, especially the ones that last long, the Ulanzi and the Linus brand. Love those ones. They really last long. I would leave a link to one of those in the description box. In fact, I would leave a link to all the lights I'm reviewing in the description box so that you can make your own choice and buy whatever you want to buy. So the last but not the least one, which is my latest purchase, is this light I'm filming with now, and it's called the Nice VD light. It comes in this box. I'm so happy for this box because, you know, I complained about traveling around with light and stuff. They actually give you the option to carry this around easily, and not only that, it also comes with this bag, so you can put it in here and yeah, carry it around you. I'm going to insert the unboxing of the lights here because I don't want to, unplugging this will be a tough one. But I have one right in front of me and I have one at the side. Some people would like to put the two lights in front, so one at the left and one at the right. According to the professionals, it's not really as flattering, and I also noticed that it's not as, like, it's given very amateur when you have the two lights in front, but when you have one here and the other a bit at the side, it gives different shadow placement on your face and it gives a different structure to your lighting setup. With the Nice VD light, the light is really diffused. I particularly like the tripod stand it comes with. It is really tall. It is more than 165 centimeters, so it's tall enough for anybody to film with. If you buy one, it would cost you 42 euros, but if you buy two, it will cost you 66 euros. So with two, you're getting one each for 33 euros. And I don't think that's a bad price for how good the light comes with. So with the LED 660 and the 880, I didn't get them with the tripod because I already had a tripod, but even if you got them with the tripod, it should still cost you 50 euros thereabouts. But with this Nice VD lights, with one, if you buy one, it costs 42 euros and it would come with a really tall tripod. If you buy two, you get you pay 66 euros and they both come with tripods, so each for 33 euros with the tripod, and I think that is an excellent price. In fact, I recommend this over the other ones because the pricing is good. It comes with a tripod, so you don't have to pay extra for tripod, you don't have to pay extra for diffusers, you don't have to pay extra for anything. With these two lights, you are good to go. honestly. Like, even if you don't want to buy the other ones, this particular one's the nice really light. If you're just starting as a beginner, this is a perfect light for you. It is affordable. You need 2 lights most of the time, especially if you don't want to have shadows in your background. You can play around with the lighting setup because you have 2 options. If it's just one, you don't have there is not much you can do with your lighting. But if it's 2, you can use this as your backlight, you can use it as your side light, you can use this as your background light to illuminate the back, especially if you have shadows. You can put this 2 in front if you like that kind of setup. You have more options, and you can play around with your lighting setup to figure out which one you like the most and which one suits your style. Now that's it for LEDs. You see that light behind me? It's not an LED light, and that's why I'm not reviewing it in this video. But in my next video, in this particular one you're seeing right on your screen, I'm going to be reviewing that background lamp. I think it's the most beautiful lamp I've seen in a while, and if you're interested in it, click on this video to get the details, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.